Good evening. Good to see you. Happy Easter. I trust you. Easter break was interesting. I hope you had a lot to eat. Okay? Maybe you couldn't go out, but hey, you can have fun with your folks. I'm sure you had fun with daddy, mommy, running around the compound. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, so it's back to work. Based on your scheme, you'll be working on multiplication in math. I think for the first 2 weeks, yeah. So we would begin now. The whole idea behind multiplication is also, like I said, there's really nothing that is too difficult. Well, and things are usually easy depending on how you look at it. One, how it is explained to you, and how much you pay attention. Okay, that would determine to a large extent if it will be easy. Okay, and the fact that you don't get it the first time doesn't mean it is difficult. Okay, do not give up or lose hope or say, no, I can't learn it. Of course you can. You are the best. Tell yourself that every day. You are the best, and nothing will be difficult. Okay, pray to God and ask Him to do all of that for you. Okay, and make sure you work hard so that God blesses your hard work. Okay, read when you're supposed to read, do your assignments when you're supposed to do your assignments. Even when you're not asked to, you can go to the table and start solving, start reading. Do you understand? Then God will bless all those things that you do, and you just see that you're the best all around. And I trust that He will do that for you. Okay, now let's get back to what we are supposed to do today. Multiplication. It's very easy. I'm going to teach us a couple of things, teach you a couple of things. First thing that we note is the sign, okay? The symbol for multiplication. You say it's this, right? If this were an alphabet, it would be the letter X, right? But in mathematics or arithmetic, this is the multiplication sign, times, okay? It's called times. Now, it's part of a family, and you know the other members of this family, known as basic operation symbols. So you have times, you have this guy, you know him, right? Mr. Plus, yes. Minus, yep. And division. I hope you've met them, okay? They do different things, okay? They have different rules. But if you were going to relate them, times and plus are closer, they are more related, and minus and division are more related. I will tell you how, and the reason you should know this is because of one of the multiplication strategies or multiplication methods I'm going to be teaching you, which we will do right now. Okay, now this method is known as the repeated addition method. Okay, the repeated addition method. Okay, now this is addition. This is the sign for addition. So that means the repeated addition method to solve multiplication problems. Okay, let's begin. Let me give a particular sum. Let's take this 2 times 3. Okay, now using the repeated addition method will just be 2, which is what you're going to multiply. How many times? 3 times. So you're going to write 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 one time, put your plus. 2 the second time, put your plus. 2 the third time, so 3 times. Remember, you're meant to write 2 how many times? 3 times. 1, so put at the top. 2, 3 to be sure. So you've done 2 3 times. Now this is the repeated addition. That means addition comes, addition comes. So that is where, remember, it says 2 times, but you are meant to write it 2 3 times, then your plus signs in between them. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, then you do your addition, right? 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 2, I like doing that. 4 in my head plus 2 fingers, 4, 5, 6. Good. And my answer is 6. Easy does it, okay? Was that easy? Let me do another one. Okay, where's my duster? Good. Okay, let me do another one just beneath it. Let's go with 3 times. 3 times 4. Okay. So first thing is look at what are we going to times? What number? Just go with the first number. We're timesing this number, right? 3. How many times are we going to write it? 4 times. 3. How many times? 4 times. So you're going 3, 1, plus 3, 2, plus 3, 3, plus 3, 4. So remember it says 3 how many times? 4 times. So you wrote it how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And okay. Okay. Yes. Good. And so when you go 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it would give you 3 plus 3, 6. 6 in my head plus 3 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in my head plus another 3 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So you see that is very easy. Okay, our next lesson would go with the second multiplication method, which we would call the array method. But take this down. This is the repeated addition method. So why don't you do like 2 or 3 different types and give me an answer? Let me even give you the sums to do. Go with 2 times 5 and 4 times 3 using the repeated addition method. See ya. Bye.